I've been a swing trader for a while, and of course, as a swing trader, I can say I don't know whether I'm greedy or not, but at the same time, I've not been respecting trends, because anytime I make my entry position, I anticipate that price is going to take out those lows or those highs, because I'm in the right direction. I'm trading with the big boys. You know what I mean. So, but currently I've realized that the market somehow changed. The market's kind of respecting support and resistance. So I taught myself that I should not be ignoring those levels. If the market is not ignoring and respecting those levels, then why I should lie? So I'm talking about GBP, NZD, Euro, USD, Aussie, USD, USD, those are the trades that I've been, taking. So yesterday, no, that was not yesterday. The day before, I made an entry position on GBP, NZD, and as usual, guys, you understand how I do it. Let me help you to zoom right here. I'll help you to zoom for you to confirm. Okay, right over here. This was March 11th, and of course today is March 13th, and I closed that position yesterday 12th. But let me take you through and show you what I saw. I'll hit that replay tool, and as usual, let's go to the higher time frame. This was a very simple analysis. Even a 2-year-old will understand this easily. Look at it. Okay, so if I take out all this drawing, this is how the market was looking like. Now, naked eye, you won't understand. Okay, this is an impulse correction, so we understand the market should be going up. Basically, that is the general knowledge of forex trading or price action thing. But understand how the market is approaching a support or resistance. I keep on saying that thing. So if we had a high right here, and of course this is a low, and this is also another level. Of course I never do this. Let me just add that. So we had that level, and like I said before, most people anticipate higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low. Yes, because in respect that the market already took out this downtrend, which is still okay. All right, but if we go to the lower time frame, we need to understand what this market is doing right here. Okay, so basically we might say that, oh yeah, that's the case, but see, the market is giving me something. Let me show you. Is this not a double top? Okay, but I won't say that this market is going to touch this level. Okay, because remember, we are still in an uptrend. Okay, like I said before, remember, higher high, higher low, and now the market is giving us a higher high, probably gives us a higher low. That is when we should continue going up, but that is the future. Right now we need to concentrate on what the market is doing, the current market price. All right, so if we saw that this market kind of want to give us a double top, then let's see the H4. Remember, the market might give us a double top, and then that's a fake out, and it continues going up. But now, heading over to the H4, guys, let me remove this. Okay, let me remove this, and also I'll do this. Now, if you kind of see this pattern, this is a head and shoulder. Why is this market giving us a double top from the daily, and when you go to the H4, the market is giving us a head and shoulder? Am I stupid enough to take a buy position on this? No. Right? So let me continue zooming in. We just understanding this market. Let's hit the H1. All right, right there. Now, from the H1 perspective, we see that the market, of course, if we had a head and shoulder, that is, we expect, like I said before, you hide the left shoulder, then we had an impulse, then this is a correction or continuation pattern, then we continue, impulse, correction, continuation, such thing. So those are the things that were on my mind. That's why you see I have this. Let me just hide the left shoulder. Guys, I keep on saying, if you hide the left shoulder, you'll understand that, oh, this is a trend right here, something like that. And just a minute. All right, so like I said before, then I need to clone this level right here. Let's hit that, clone, then have it around this level. So I keep on saying that we should not be greedy. Initially I did this, make my entry like this. Let me see, make my entry, and of course target all the way to this level. But I realized that, head and shoulder, or inverse head and shoulder, price, when you hide the left shoulder, it tells you that price gives a higher, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it will just continue all the way, respecting that support and resistance thing, instead of the market just dropping at once. It's going to be crazy thing, you understand? So let's continue. Now, if the moment I had this type of a thing, I said, okay, remember this is a continuation pattern, and of course if we had a continuation pattern, I'm also expecting something confirmation before I make my sell position, which is an amazing thing. So let's see what the market did when we hit to the 15 right over here. So there was this level that this market was kind of respecting, and of course price broke. Yes, so price broke. The moment price broke with an impulse, as usual, let me just show you more confidence and more confidence. The reason why I also had my stop loss around this level, because we had a double top right here, another confirmation. Yo, there's no way you should be taking your your entry without confidence or confidence. And remember, my target initially was all the way this, I believe, that level right there. And like I said before, I used to ignore level. So there's this level right here. Okay, there's that level that I ignore. I said, okay, price, of course, I'm a swing trader, price will just break that level and continue going all the way down, respecting those, taking out those levels, as long as I'm in the right direction. So let's see, the market did this thing. Okay, and of course right there I was in, and of course I keep on saying, yo, despite all, if you see the market pulling back, don't kill yourself. You don't need to die. Understand the market. When let me show you something amazing. As usual, this is another continuation pattern. Okay, you understand, expect the market to do that, because after an impulse, remember, we had a double top right here, and it broke with an impulse. Expect correction, impulse, correction, and we had a CPI on the way. You understand, yesterday. Okay, so the market did this. All right, that is before CPI, I believe so. Then the market went back, then CPI, boom. You understand? So let me take you back right there. So when CPI came out, you understand that news is crazy. And guys, if you see that somehow price are respected that support of ours, that is when it bounced back. That's why I had my TP around that level. And let me just show you that I also take these trades. Let me show you, of course. So right here, from my DX trade, let me show you NZDJPY come to Papi. Let me just forward this for you. All right, so I don't know if this market can allow us to zoom. Okay, we had, was this 207288? Oh, that's take profit. That was take profit. I'm trying to find the entry level for you guys to see that. Okay, I made those entries. Okay, so you see this was the profit. Let me show you why the entry thing. I'm trying to. Okay, come on. All right, right there. That's the ID. Come on, where's the entry? Where is that? This is the ticket. It's crazy how trade price. Oh, I've seen it. So, this is trade price, not take profit. 2.07228. 2.07228. I believe that's take profit. 0.72228. I believe so. That's funny. Because my initial 0.7698. I don't know why it's not showing. But that's it. You see. Then I told my public right here. Of course, this was before. This was GBP before, and now GBP later. So it was an amazing run basically, and you guys should check out my Telegram link in the description box. And wait, just let's see what the market did. It went all the way. Yo, the reason I say don't be greedy. You see, the market went all the way up to my stop loss, and I believe if I held my position, I could have basically been taken out with the spread. Let me see how many pips are those to my stop loss. 4 pips. Maybe I could have survived, but oh yeah, could have been taken out because it went back. Yo, this is like 0 point something pips. Yo, with the spread I could have been taken out. Then stupid, the market now went back. So this is the I believe this is the right time that this market will now go back, target that level. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's some of the current market price. So let me just give you one signal before you die. Let me give you one signal right there. I have something on USD CHF, I believe so. Let me see my eyeball list right there. So okay, that's USD CHF. Let me take it back to the H4. All right, so right now we see right now we see that price kind of gave us a double top, and of course after an impulse we expect correction. Guys, these are just the same stupid thing that I just talked about some minutes ago, and you see the market keeps on repeating this thing. History repeats itself. So correction, we have to wait for that impulse. So we see now on this impulse, we see we've only had like 2 touches. First touch and second touch. I'm expecting third touch. Then now, as usual, most people, you do take the buy position when the market hits the support level. But now this is what I'll be expecting. I'll expect the market to go up with that, respecting those buyers, But now the market, I'll need the market to take out the buyer stop loss somewhere around this level. Let me do that. Somewhere around that level. So if the market or price takes out the buyer stop loss, that is when we go in. You understand? We just wait for market, to trap people. And like I say, we trade against most of the people. When people take buy, we'll be selling. Okay. When most people will be taking selling position, we'll be looking for a buy position. So right now, that is how I do reason before taking my position in the forex market. Guys, I hope you understood that easy thing. And check out my Telegram link in the description, guys. And adios, be amigos. Peace and be safe.